Hello all, this is lecture 6 of electrical installation unit, which is the part of basic electrical engineering course. In the last lecture we understood how we can measure the power. In this lecture we'll go through elementary calculation of energy consumption. So 1 unit equal to how much? It is 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour, which is called 1 unit. That means if a load suppose is consuming 1 kilowatt of power and then it is consuming for 1 hour, then the consumption will be equal to 1 unit. So energy consumption is measured in kilowatt hour, where 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 unit. As per the charges of RICS per unit, we have to pay electricity bill, and it is a headache for all of us. Although we are using the electricity, so we must have to pay for that. So how we can calculate the number of units? Suppose we have appliances wattage, not in kilowatt, it is in simply watt. Okay, and then we have to multiply with the durations for which it has been used, and then we'll divide by 1000. So now it will become kilowatt hour. And how much will be the electricity bill? Whatever be the charges per unit, multiply with the number of units which we have calculated from this place, and that is going to give the electricity bill. So let's see with an example. A 1500 watt electric washing machine is used for 90 minutes. Determine the energy consumption of the machine. Assuming 1 unit cost as 8 rupees, find the cost of energy consumed. Okay, so power consumption, suppose I want to find out in kilowatt. So what I will do, I will divide this watt by 1000, so the value will become kilowatt. Time usage 90 minutes, and electricity price is 8 rupees per unit or per kilowatt hour. So power rating, time usage, we have to remember, we have to uh, write this time usage in hour, and that's why here we are going to, if we divide this by 1000, answer will be 1.5. So we have taken power rating 1.5 kilowatt. Time of usage 90 minutes, we have to take it into hour, and that's why we have divided by 60, and electricity price is 8, and so the total consumption will be equal to this much. This is the cost of energy consumption. Okay, suppose I want to find out energy consumption only. So we have to do this thing, 1.5 multiply with 90 upon 60. So this is going to give us the value of energy consumption in kilowatt hour, and this will decide the number of units, how much units we are going to expend for this appliances use. Another example, someone watches TV on average 6 hours each day. The TV is connected to a 220 volt voltage supply, and the TV draw amount of current 0.5 ampere. If the electric company charges 8 rupees per kilowatt hour, then calculate the cost of using TV for a month. 30 days, within 30 days, how much electricity bill we have to pay for this TV usage. So voltage rating is 220, current rating is 0.5. That means current draw by the TV is zero point 0.5, and the voltage through which it has been connected is 220 volts. So we can calculate how much power it is consuming. So voltage multiply with current, so 220 multiply with zero point 0.5, assuming here power factor equal to 1. So it is going to be 110 watt. I want to convert that into kilowatt, so we have to divide by 1000. So here it would be 0.11 kilowatt. Time of usage 6 hours, and this is the charge. So again, power rating multiply with time of usage, and then electricity price. Now this is the power rating. 6 hours is being used, but we have to calculate the price for 30 days, so we have to multiply with 30 also. So this is the total number of hours for which TB has been used, and then we have to multiply the charges, and so finally the cost is 158 rupees 40 paise. Another example, a laptop uses 75 watt electricity. Cost is 8 kilowatt per hour. Calculate for how much time it runs in a day for 1 year. We have to take care of this point. For how much time it runs in a day for 1 year, so that yearly energy consumption cost is 1314. Assume laptop runs for same number of hours in a year. Okay, so here we have to number of hours we have to calculate for which we are using the laptop. So cost of consumption we know. Power rating, we have converted that into kilowatt. So this much will be the power rating, and this is the electricity price. So power rating we know. Time of usage, that we need to find out. Electricity price we are knowing. So if I want to find out this much, so what I will do, I will divide this by these two things. So 1314, that is the power consumed within a year, will be divided by electricity price and its kilowatt rating. Both will be multiplied over here, and so it is giving 2190. So for whole 1 year, if the laptop will be used for 2190 hours, then it is going to consume this much price, or we have to pay this much price for that. So for per day, we need to divide it by 365 days. So 2190 upon 365, so it is going to be equal to 6 hours. That means if we are using laptop for 6 hours daily for 1 year, then it is going to consume 1314 rupees, 1314 rupees in a year. We have to, that much bill we have to pay. So we'll stop over here. Thank you. This is the last lecture of this unit.